Padma Shri for Ali Manik Khan. Ali Manik Khan, known for his nature-friendly experiments and grassroots innovations, has been honored with Padma Shri Award. Born in Minicoy in Lakshadweep in 1938, the 82-year man with not much formal education is a multifaceted personality. A self-made man, Ali Manik Khan has been gifted with vast knowledge about the ocean, the land and the sky. Apart from being a closest comrade of Mother Nature, Manik Khan has also proved his mettle in languages. He had also been an ardent practitioner of nature-friendly constructions, alternative energy resources and micro-level and grassroots inventions. A man in millions, Manik Khan is a marine researcher, an ecologist, a shipbuilder and a polyglot. After discontinuing formal education, he started his life working in the lighthouse in Minicoy, which he quit after a few months. He later quit his jobs as a teacher and as a clerk that came his way only to join his passionate field of marine life. He joined the Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute of India at the age of 22. While working there, he discovered a new fish species. Impressed by Manik Khan's acumen and passionate knowledge in ocean life, the species was named after him. This was the first acknowledgement he got for his multidisciplinary talents. Later, his knowledge in marine research helped him co-author a paper on fish species. Apart from marine biology, he was interested in geography, astronomy, social science, traditional shipbuilding, education, fisheries, agriculture and horticulture. He also learned many languages all by himself. Besides his mother tongue Divehi, he learned English, Hindi, Malayalam, Arabic, Latin, French, Russian, Sinhalese, Persian, Sanskrit, Tamil and Urdu. He has been passionate in organic agriculture methods which he implemented in his farmland in Valliyur in Tirunelli district of Tamil Nadu, where he lives now. The Do Nothing farm is a lush green space with no irrigation or fertilizers but depending on natural vegetation. Ali Manik Khan's biodiversity farming is with lots of ponds here and there which would carry rainwater that would supply moisture for the woods during summer. He also invented a windmill and produced electricity for his use. Manik Khan was invited to Oman to lead a team of carpenters to replicate Sohar, a vintage trading vessel used by Irish adventurer Tim Severin. The 27-meter long ship, fully handmade, is now displayed in a museum in Oman. Manik Khan also designed a lunar calendar based on new moon times. Not only marine vessels that Manik Khan crafted, he also built a roller-driven motorcycle out of a bicycle with an attached old power sprayer motor. He also experimented with his invention, which got started after pedaling for a while. He and his son Musa made a trip from Tirunelveli to New Delhi, covering a distance of 60 to 70 kilometers per day to reach their destination in 40 days. Blessed with eco-spirituality, Ali Manik Khan is a living example of living with nature. Indeed, Ali Manik Khan deserves the Padma Award. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.